Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that is Praveen Nair. And today we are going to be doing for all vegetarian lovers, Chickpeas Pancake.
Alright, it has got some amount of calories, it has got some amount of carbohydrates, but at the same time, it's a great option for protein when it comes to vegetarians. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
2 tablespoons chickpeas flour, half an onion finely chopped, half a tomato finely chopped, 3 garlic cloves, pink Himalayan salt, 1 cup water, a hand blender or a normal grinder, olive oil or coconut oil for cooking. First in a blender, take some tomatoes. To that I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic and I'm going to blend the same. Now in a container, first take 2 tablespoons of chickpeas flour. To that I'm going to add half chopped onion. Next I'm going to take the tomatoes which are finely done. You can also add little water to the tomatoes so that the tomatoes can be grinded well and nice and smooth. Now you have to see to it that the thick and nice texture. And I'm going to whisk them really nice and clean. If you feel it's really thick and you want it a little more thin in consistency, you could add some water. Now I'm going to add little salt to it. And I feel that the consistency is little thick, so I'm going to add very little water to it. That's it. And now it's nice and smooth and I've whisked them really well and they're done. Now I'm directly going to go switch over to the flame. So switch on the flame and add some olive oil to the same. Now in a pan I have added 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm going to quickly pour the mixture. And let this cook on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. And we're going to flip the side. And our chickpeas pancake is ready to be served. Alright, so in my words, a chickpeas pancake, or traditionally known as an Indian omelette, is ready.
Yeah.
It's healthy, nutritious.
All you do is that subscribe to that bell icon that you always get to know about our new videos on the channel, and we got about almost 7 videos. And that are the few things that you need to be really fit. So you got recipes, informations, and the workout routine. So go out there, enjoy, and keep yourself really fit. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video.
Stay tuned. Thank you.
See you.